Alright guys, got a couple things at the thrift store today. They did Amazon returns again. I don't know if they're returns or if they're new or what they are, but got a desoldering station. I got some solar crimpers and some other stuff. Let's take a look. Alright, so here is the Amazon. These are discontinued, so I'm wondering if maybe it's brand new. Um, these are the tips. There is another part that's missing. It would have been the holder and other stuff there. I don't know a lot about these. So it wasn't hooked up at first. I notice here, if you look at the tips, they're completely covered. Okay, there's actually solder on the end of them. And the tip that was on this thing was like that. I powered it up in the store and I had to jack the temperature up to about 500, and I hit the button and it goes, and so then it sucks the solder in there. So I think this one works. I'm hoping it does. The desoldering gun, I guess you would call it. They charge $32 just for a replacement one. But if this thing works for the price that I paid, that's like a super good deal. I think it will work. I'll have to test it here in a little bit. Trying to do multiple things at once, trying to load games on the PSP for the kids and stuff like that. She's sick, laying in bed, and I'm actually not feeling really good. I'm almost 24 hours into a fast. I'm doing a fast right now. I'm trying fasting, so I don't feel real great, but I don't feel real bad either. So I'll look at the other stuff here in a second. Alright, let's plug this thing in. I'm going to find a circuit board real quick. Alright, let's turn this thing on. Let's get the cord undone here. So I think maybe somebody just returned this, or maybe it's an Amazon surplus, because maybe it was missing something and somebody returned it. But I don't think it's broken. So we need to let it go to 478. Of course, we're missing the thing here. Okay. We're getting pretty close to where I could probably get it to work. Okay. Let's try something. Maybe go over like one of these capacitors here. Doesn't want to melt. Must not be all that great. I think that actually did work. Yeah, I just unsoldered a crystal right here. Wow. Okay. It's like a surface mount crystal. The heat transfer is a little iffy. I'm gonna try to get this thing out of here real quick. It's a little can crystal. So it does work. I think maybe not real well. This looks like a battery right here. Let's go ahead and pull that out of here. It's not getting hot enough. $478 is not hot enough for this thing. Let's go 549. We can try this really large. Yeah, this is not working real well. I'm trying to melt this Ethernet. It's definitely not hot enough. I mean, what is it? What is it supposed to be? I don't know. Let's see. We're at 643. I don't know what it should be at, to be honest. But I want to be able to unsolder this. And because it's you know, pretty good size, I can feel it wicking the heat out. But I still should be able to do it. Taking too long at that temperature. Let's try okay, that worked pretty good. You can hear it. All right. It's not without flaws. I think I just broke that. Maybe we need to go up to 700. I don't imagine it's going to go much more than 850, if that. Let's see if we can get this thing to melt. Man, come on. It's just not doing it. So, I don't know how well it's supposed to work. You can hear it. Some of it doesn't like want to work real well. It's like if it doesn't get it the first time, it kind of. Yeah, I don't know. The heat transfer is not real good. Another thing too, sometimes when I used to do this with the other ones, is a little bit of flux on the end of it could go a long ways. It just seems like the flux really it's not working. Yeah, let's turn this fucking thing up all the way. At 862, man. I mean, how much hotter can you fucking get? Maybe we can get this one to go. It says we're at 862. I think this thing's full of shit. It's pretty hot. And I see smoke rolling off of this thing in places where I'd be a little concerned. Like right in here. But it doesn't want to unsolder that. Maybe I'm just being unreasonable. Let's try this one. It's amazing how it like wants to work, but not all the time. It's not like as good as you would think it would be. I don't know. Let's try and get this thing out of here. Yeah. So, I mean, it works. I don't know what to compare it to. I've never used an actual, like, real Hacko. What's that do? Locked. This is glass. Was that supposed to be unlocked? Probably not. Anyway, yeah. I mean, I bet you if I use something like this, probably, let's see. We have some pretty big solder right here. But this is old school shit. Let's see if it'll melt it. Wow. Look at that. Dude. It's working good right here, watch. This is old school solder. It likes to, it's so much easier. So, yeah. Very cool. So it depends on what you're working on, probably. This is much newer. And it struggles with it. So, let's go ahead and turn that off. So, I'll show you the other stuff I got in another video. So, stay tuned for that. Catch you later.